Aloha, I'm Stan Cox, Principal Broker and Strategist with SC Finance Strategies and Insurance Consultants, and author of the books on the tax-free cash growth warehouse strategy. In this video, I'll be talking about the idea of paying off debt before starting the Infinite Banking tax-free cash growth warehouse strategy. There's two versions of this question. Should I pay off my debt first? And should I save up and make this particular target purchase before I start an Infinite Banking tax-free cash growth warehouse account? So here's what comes to my mind. And I know this is a bit far out, man. That's a reference to Cheech and Chong if you didn't get that. Let me ask you, should I wait to get to the moon before I get a spaceship to travel there? Or, okay, should I walk across the country before I get some good walking shoes? No, Forrest Gump, you should get the shoes first. Or get your ticket for the next SpaceX ship taking passengers to the moon. Waiting to get there first doesn't make any sense at all. And it may not be the best analogy, the moon trip, because without the spaceship, you will never get to the moon. On the other hand, making the minimum payments on interest-bearing debts may amount to the same thing. You may never get the debt paid off. The point is, Infinite Banking is already the best strategy ever for paying off debt, because you get to actually recover your entire expenditure while paying off the debt. And the tax-free cash growth warehouse strategy is Infinite Banking on steroids. So here's how we utilize the tax-free cash growth warehouse strategy for knocking out debt. We make the minimum payments on the debt and make our regular deposits into our tax-free cash growth warehouse accounts, otherwise known as premium payments. When we've accumulated enough cash value in our TFCGW accounts to either pay off the balance of the debt we're working on or to pay down a significant amount of the principal of the debt. And then that, of course, will reduce the amount of interest on the debt that is accruing. And then we pay, what we do is we take a leverage loan from our TFCGW account, pay off the debt, or pay off a good portion of the principal, which again reduces the amount of interest that the debt is accruing. Now, here's what happens when you just focus on paying off debt without Infinite Banking and tax-free cash growth warehouse strategy. Even if you are paying double the minimum payments or more, and yes, you are reducing the debt, but you're still paying the additional opportunity cost on top of the cost of the debt because you aren't earning any interest on the money you're paying on the debt. Okay? On top of that, the money you're paying on the debt is forever gone. You will never get that back. Here's what happens when you utilize the TFCGW strategy to pay off your debt, okay? Every dollar you put into your TFCGW accounts immediately does two things for you. One, it buys you peace of mind and security for your family because it buys you additional life insurance. And two, it contributes to the ever-growing cash value of your account and increases the amount of compounding interest that is paid into your cash account. Now, here's the really special thing about that. Even when you leverage your cash account and take a policy loan to pay for something, in this case, pay off debt, your cash remains in your account and collecting the high compounding dividend interest. And with our accounts, the company that we use and the way we design the accounts, the policy loan interest is less than the dividend interest being paid to your cash account, you're still making a positive net gain every time you take a policy leverage loan. So when we use the tax-free cash growth warehouse strategy to pay off debt, we get the debt paid off much faster. And at the same time, we're earning high compounding dividend interest on the money we pay off our debt with. And that means we are not paying the additional opportunity cost associated with paying cash for things. And that results in increasing wealth where we actually recapture the money that we pay to the debt. So let me ask you now, should you pay off debt before starting infinite banking and using the tax-free cash growth warehouse strategy? Or should you get started with the infinite banking now and pay off your debt faster, grow your wealth with the tax-free cash growth warehouse strategy? Yeah, I think that's the better idea. Okay, so let's put the horse in front of the cart and supercharge that horse to boot. If you like what you've learned here, please subscribe to this channel. Also, please post your comments and questions here. And if you haven't yet, watch the free 60-minute webinar, How to Become Master of Your Financial World. Just click the link in the description box below. And if you'd like our help in getting your tax-free cash growth warehouse started, you can email or call us at the address and phone number also in the description box below. We're here to help, and we look forward to helping you. For now, aloha and mahalo for watching.